Hello, good afternoon everyone. Myself, Assistant Professor Kakade Vijay Tukaram, TMV's Lokmanya Tilak Law College, Solapur. Today we have discussed the topic of introduction, law of evidence. Law of evidence scope. Law of evidence scope is Indian Evidence Act plus theoretically customs uses including in the evidence. Law of evidence. Evidence is derives from the Latin word evidentia, which means used to pure to clean. Okay, evidence under section, when we study the Indian Evidence Act, then section 3 provides some definitions of the Evidence Act. But here, here, draftsman of Indian Evidence Act most interestingly insert the word evidence means and includes, not only evidence means but also includes evidence means and includes all statements which the court permits as requires court permits or requires to be made before it by witnesses in relation to matters of fact under inquiry. Such statements are called oral evidence. And second, all documents including electronic records produced for the inspection of the court, such documents are called document evidence. Means here we got two types of evidence. First, oral evidence, which deals with under section 59 and 60 of the Indian Evidence Act, and next, documentary evidence, which deals with section 61 to 90A of the Indian Evidence Act. Oral evidence subdivided rule and exception. Only direct evidence shall be allowed to in case of oral evidence. Okay, and some exception here, as like section 6 provides rule of justitia. Hearsay evidence, that is hearsay evidence means one person said to another person said to another person, this link is too much. Okay, in exceptional cases like dying declaration, it is allowed, otherwise it is not allowed and permissible in the court of law. Okay, documentary evidence section 61 to 90A subdivided into primary evidence, secondary evidence, and public document and private document. Primary evidence section 62 and secondary evidence section 63. Section 63, primary evidence, nothing is but a original. Okay, primary evidence. Secondary evidence means made when we compare to original to another copies, then it is called the secondary evidence, but specifically definition provided in the Indian Evidence Act in regard of secondary evidence. Next, public document and private document. Public document under section 74 and private document under section 75. Okay, when any document under section 74 provides specifically definition, specifically items, the so and so document are called a public document and another documents are called a private document. When any public person, when any public officers makes any document in regard of his public duty imposed by the law, then it is called a public document. That means birth certificate, death certificate, marriage certificate, it's called public document. Okay, private document, when any person makes a contract between two persons, that's called private document. Okay, so specific definition given provided under section 74 and 75 of the Indian Evidence Act. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts or queries, then ask me on my WhatsApp or call to me my mobile number. Okay, thank you very much. Good day.